If you've tried to get free stuff on Temu and felt like you were just clicking around with nothing happening, this video is going to save you a lot of time. Because yes, Temu does give real free items, but most people waste time because they start in the wrong place. Before I explain, I've put the working Temu FREE Gift code right here on the screen, and it's also in the description and pinned comment, along with a couple of backup codes that are still active. Now here's the issue. Most people open the Temu app first and start browsing. They scroll through products, tap deals, maybe even add items to their cart. And then they wonder why the free gift never shows up. That's because Temu only activates free stuff when you enter through the correct free gift event. Here's how to do it properly without wasting time. Step 1. Start from the right page. Before opening the Temu app, click the first link in the description. This step is important. It tells Temu that you're entering through a free gift promotion. When the page opens, you'll see a QR code. If you're on your phone, scan the QR code. If you're on desktop, you'll see a manual code you can enter instead. Both options do the same thing. They activate the free gift event on your account. Step 2. Confirm the free gift is active. Now open the Temu app. You should immediately see a progress bar appear. That progress bar is the confirmation that the free gift is active. If you don't see the bar, stop and repeat step 1 using the link again. Without the progress bar, the free gift will never unlock. Step 3. Complete only the required actions. Once the bar appears, Temu will give you a few small tasks. These are usually things like browsing certain categories, checking new deals, opening specific sections. They're quick and simple. Each action fills the progress bar a little more. You don't need to do anything extra. Step 4. Unlock and claim. When the bar reaches 100%, the free item you selected becomes unlocked. No payment required, no referrals needed, no hidden charges. Temu prepares the item for shipping just like a normal order. Why this saves time? Most people fail because they open Temu first, never activate the event, keep clicking randomly. Doing it in the correct order avoids all of that. Activation first, actions second. So if you want to get free stuff on Temu without wasting time, use the code on screen, activate the free gift properly, and watch for the progress bar. And if it works for you, leave a comment and tell me what you unlocked.